Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on two-factor verification on your Amazon account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up a web browser and go to amazon.com and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Hover over Accounts and Lists and then click Your Account from the drop-down menu. On the Your Account page, click on Login and Security. Now at the bottom of the page, beside where it says Two-Step Verification Settings, you want to click Edit. Select Get Started. On the Enroll a 2SB authenticator page, select the phone number option and then put in your mobile number and click Continue. You will now receive a one-time password to your phone. Enter it in and then press Continue. Put in your account password. On the next page, click Got it, turn on two-step verification. Now your two-step verification is turned on, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.